Poland and Naija don't sign Memorandum of Agreement to help solve food and energy crisis. The President of Naija, Muhammadu Buhari, and Poland President Andrzej Duda don't do talk on the food and energy crisis sake of the Russian war and how e don cause katakata for the economy. Top officials of the two countries con sign Memorandum of Agreement on agriculture wey go deepen the economic relationship with Naija and Poland. And dis na the first time the president for Poland go visit Naija since when dem get diplomatic relationship for over 60 years. The Poland president Andrzej Duda con tok say Naija na the only African country wey dem don sign dis kind agreement with. E tok dis one for one talk and visit wey e do on Tuesday for Abuja.
To też zacieśnianie relacji pomiędzy Polską a
It is very important for the future of our relations, but also for the future of the food security in Nigeria and at large. It can also contribute to the modernization and increasing the efficiency of Nigerian economy and Nigerian agriculture.
już miały miejsce na przestrzeni
The talks that we have had today are essential from the perspective of supplying both LNG gas as well as oil to Poland and the European Union. Speaking about those natural resources, Nigeria is indeed very wealthy. We want to increase the supplies from Nigeria to Poland, and by this way we also want to contribute to the development of economic relations between both our countries.
President Buhari con still tok say dis memorandum wey dem don sign so go help dem get win-win relationship. E con thank di Poland president and government sake of how dem try for Nigerians wey dey Ukraine during the war and all the opportunities wey dem don give Naija students for their country.
This visit underscores the cordial relations that exist between both countries and hope that this will pave the way to a mutually beneficial win-win relationship. I wish to express the readiness of Nigeria to enlarge the fields of economic cooperation with Poland, including the fields of energy, agriculture, and manufacturing. We would like to see an increase in the level of trade as it remains relatively low in spite of the long period of relations between our two countries. Our cooperation in education has a long history, and we wish to encourage the extension of that cooperation to the sharing of knowledge and experience between our educational institutions in order to help drive innovation in our countries in this competitive global knowledge economy.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember say your PVC na your power, no go sell your vote for any politician or political party.